In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create aesthetic UGC videos with AI. And this is the result of this tutorial.
I spent weeks looking for something that actually worked until I found this centella serum. It hydrates, soothes, and left my skin feeling amazing. Try it, you won't regret it.
So to do this video, first of all, we need to go to novoads.ai. This is a tool that you can try for just $1. And after you have created the account, you will arrive here. Here, to create the aesthetic video, first, we will create an image and use this image as a reference in the video. So first of all, we need to go to the image section, and here we have to click in reference. Now I'm going to upload the image of the product that, in this case, the girl is going to promote. And here I'm going to paste the following prompt. That is a very simple prompt that is going to be in the comment section. So now we have to click in settings, and in model, I'm going to choose GPT image 2. Then the quality, we're going to use the medium quality because it's much cheaper than the high quality and the quality is really good. And now we have to click here. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the 3 images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I liked this one. So now I'm going to download it, and now we have to go to the video section. Here we have to click in settings, and personally, I prefer Kling 3.0 more than Seedance 2.0, but you can use any one of these ones. So let's click here in Kling 3.0. I'm going to choose 12 seconds as a duration, and now we have to click here. Here we have to upload the image that we download, and now here I'm going to paste the following prompt. This is a very simple prompt that is going to be in the comment section. So now we have to click here, and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
I spent weeks looking for something that actually worked until I found this centella serum. It hydrates, soothes, and left my skin feeling amazing. Try it, you won't regret it.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot. The video looks really realistic and the quality is really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and you can try novoads AI for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.